is very sincere and a dedicated researcher. So I'm endorsing him to give this award.
1 minute. He's calling me. I don't know. So you can continue, Dr. Mukhtaram.
Yes, sir. He
हेलो
recently
सर,
received
आपका अवार्ड अनाउंस हो गया इसमें?
recently received a Malaysian grant also, and his
नहीं तो वो तो हो
wife
गया
also
हमने,
working
क्योंकि
in
मैं तो
same
पिक्चर
department,
में हूँ ना, तो
and
मैं
she
निकल नहीं
also
सकता
got
इसमें।
her
मैं तो
own
खुद
award, one
प्रेजेंटिंग है।
grant he
ठीक है, मैंने
received
अनाउंस
here.
कर दिया। वो
So
डॉक्टर मुथुरम
both
अटेस्ट
are
कर गया, वो
working
अटेंड
together
कर
and
गया।
dedicated researcher here,
ठीक
and
है,
they are having own research
हाँ,
team and
वो
in
आपके बारे में बोल
pharmaceutical
रहे हैं।
chemistry, and they are
ओके,
guiding lot of students
ठीक है,
from the
चलो।
medical discipline and also dental discipline, and they are very good collaborator with other researchers, and so based on this I'm endorsing this award for him. Yes, sir. Over to you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, Dr. Muthuraman. Yeah, thank you for testing. Actually, Dr. Floria had some technical issue. He is unable to enter in the session, but we have to move ahead. So, association values his research talent. We have the next category, which is the national award category. These awards are usually given to the person who do not belong to the state where the event is actually happening. That means other state than Gujarat, because the event is hosted by the Gujarat state. So in this category, we have 3 to 4 awards. First award is Principal of the Year award. This award is actually was to be given in 2020 during our annual convention, but due to no candidate could not attend, so we have shifted it to. But this award belongs to 2020 year, and it is given in the 2021. This award goes to Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, who is principal and professor at School of Pharmacy and Research, People's University, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and he deserves for this award for his outstanding contribution in the pharmaceutical teaching, research, and administration. So we congratulate Dr. Upmanyu, and APP values your services to pharmacy profession, sir. We have Dr. Upmanyu with us. Anybody to endorse Dr. Upmanyu?
Yes, sir. So,
okay. Who is there?
Dr. Ankit, sir.
Okay, you can.
Yes, sir. So, myself, Dr. Ankit Chaudhary, Vice President, APP Gujarat State Branch. And I am here to endorse Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, sir. So, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, sir, is very well-known personality in the field of pharmacy. He is currently working as a professor and principal at School of Pharmacy Research, People's University, Bhopal. Currently, he is serving as a member of PCI, as well as he is also serving as a different committee in PCI, like member of Education Regulation Committee, Syllabus Committee of UG, and Diploma as well. He is also serving as an expert committee member in UGC, nominated member in CPC-SCA. He served Vice President of APTI MP State Branch. He is also serving as an editorial board member in various national and international journals. He is having 3 patents on his credit. He is having more than 5-year experience as a principal, and his total experience is more than 20 years in teaching and research field. Sir has published more than 75 research articles with total impact factor of 31.2, which shows his research potential also. Sir has also published various review articles in national and international journals with total impact factor of 8.13. Sir has already authored 7 books, and he has written 9 chapters in different books. Sir has guided more than 10 students, and he has guided 31 students for their PG projects. So we have very renowned personality who received the Principal Award of the Year. So I congratulate him. Thank you very much.
Okay, the slide went down. Sorry. Okay, we can move next. Our next category is Distinguished Researcher Award. It is also a carry forward award from our annual convention. Dr. Telgaonkar could not attend our annual convention, so this award now came in 2021, but the candidate remains the same, Dr. Susma Telgaonkar, who is working as Associate Professor at Department of Pharmaceutics, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Delhi Pharmaceutical Science and Research University, New Delhi. We congratulate Dr. Telgaonkar for her significant contribution in pharmaceutical research, especially in pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology area in terms of publication, guiding the projects, patents, and so on. Already her profile was read during her lecture, so everybody is well aware how much research potential she has. APP values your services to pharmacy profession, madam. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
So any further words regarding association or your research you want to share?
Sir, thank you so much for this award. And APP is doing a great job. And I have joined this conference after I think we have met in Jaipur also, sir. There also we have presented the work, and I was there with you. So APP is doing wonder. And here also in Delhi, we are planning to announce one good conference in the near future, because myself I am a secretary in APP Delhi branch. So even we are planning to organize one good event from Delhi side. So thank you so much for selecting me for this award, and thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
So we can move to our next national award category. So regional award. Those were two national awards. So in case of regional award, I want to just mention that to avoid any confusion, these best researcher, best teacher, best student, these awards are categorized into two parts. Either those are local awards or those are regional awards. Regional awards usually come from recommendation from outer states, and local awards are usually given by the recommendation of the principal of the hosting conference hosting institute. So that is the basic difference between the two. So first I will announce some of the best researcher, so some of the regional awards. Under those, first is best regional award, researcher award, which goes to Dr. Y. Sravan Kumar, who is professor and head Department of Pharmaceutics at Vagdevi College of Pharmacy, Hanamkonda, Warangal, Telangana. So we have read we are already aware about the profile of Professor Y. Sravan Kumar, as he was our one judge of the oral session. So I think no need to read it again yet, but yet I will invite comments from Professor Sravan Kumar. Professor Kumar, you are with us? No, actually there is some technical difficulty. Some persons who were in the oral session, they are unable to join due to house full, and they are giving me message. Even Dr. Sunita Daya is not with us, who is unable to join the session, and Dr. Neeraj Filoria. So if anything can be done in that regard, so it will be helpful from the local committee. But I will continue with the presentations.
Sir,
Dr. Sarwan, yeah.
Tell the Sunita madam to join, send the request again.
So, but I'm the presenter here. I can't do anything now on this platform. Otherwise, my presentation will disturb.
Okay, okay.
So that's why I just mentioned. I assume that that type of issue is there with many members. Okay, because Professor Sravan Kumar was also part of oral presentation judge team, so he is not here. But we we association feel proud to honor Prof. Sarvan Kumar with APP Best Researcher Award in regional category. So we can move next. Outstanding Oration Award. Today you have seen 3 orations. Out of these, first two were invited orations from different state, and these awards are actually given termed as Outstanding Oration Award. For these, to select in these outstanding oration, we invite the abstract and presentation of the candidate from a state, and we give to 2 independent reviewers. When they say yes, then we invite them for the oration, and these are already selected candidate for the Outstanding Oration Award. Regarding Outstanding Oration Award, I need to say we have 4 Outstanding Oration Award currently active in APP, and these are usually given in the memory of pharmacy professional who expired and are members of APP and were members of APP. So we have 2 Outstanding Oration Award today. So first award is from Delhi State, and this goes to Dr. Madhu Gupta for her nice presentation on polymer lipid hybrid nano vehicles designed for synergistic drug delivery for solid tumor management. APP feel proud to honor you with APP Outstanding Oration Award, Madam. Dr. Gupta, are you with us? So I think she is not with us. Her profile is also read during the oration. I endorse that, and she is very active researcher and very well appreciated by the scientific chairpersons of the oration session. So APP values your research potential, madam. Congratulations. Our next award is APP Best Research Scholar Award, and that belongs to Punjab State, and this award goes to Miss Kirandeep Kaur, who is PhD scholar at Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, Punjab, and to endorse this particular candidate, if we have Dr. Neena Bedi with us to endorse that. Dr. Bedi?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, you can.
Hello, yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, I'm delighted to be a part of this. I am delighted to be a part of this conference, and so I congratulate Kiran also for winning this award. She's pursuing her doctorate under my supervision at GNDU, and her research work is based on nanofibers for chronic wounds and burn wounds. And I feel privileged to have such a sincere and dedicated student in my team. She was recently selected as a project fellow for an innovation project under Golden Jubilee Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation under RUSA scheme in our university. And she's very hardworking student and has published numerous papers and book chapters during her master's and PhD work. And I congratulate her for the well-deserved achievement. And I'm sure she will reach great heights of success in future. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Gupta.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dr. Bedi.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm Dr. It's okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so APP values the research potential of your PhD scholar, Miss Kirandeep Kaur. Congratulations, Kirandeep. Next regional award is from Rajasthan State for the Best Student Award. It is Best Student Award category, and this award goes to Mr. Kapil Kumawat, who is a D.Pharm student at Lal Bahadur Shastri College of Pharmacy, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And this award is conferred on Mr. Kapil for his outstanding academic performance. So we are very happy to announce this award for you, Mr. Kapil. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We have anybody who is from the institute? No? Okay. So now there is turn for the local awards. We are returning to the Gujarat state, and I have divided the awards into two categories: faculty category as well as the student category. So in terms of faculty category, we have invited application from local hosting institute as well as the surrounding Gujarat Pharmacy Institute. So I will tell both of them. So first one, Outstanding Oration Award from Gujarat State. So this was an invited award, and it goes to Dr. Jagrati L. Desai, who presented her excellent work on enhanced oral bioavailability and lymphatic targeting of darunavir using nanocarrier, and APP feel proud to honor her with APP Outstanding Oration Award 2021. One more thing I want to tell about Jagrati. She is assistant professor at Raman Bhai Patel College of Pharmacy, Charusak, Changa, Gujarat, and she is the candidate who won the best poster award during our last conference, which happened at B Pharmacy College, Kakanpur, Rampura. And because it was appreciated, her work was appreciated a lot by the scientific chairpersons, so APP invited her for the oral presentation, and she is here with outstanding oration. And this award is specifically in the memory of late Professor Jairam Patel. If Dr. Sunil is there with us, if you want to say a few words, or I can continue. Dr. Sunil, Dr. Shukla. No, I just want to say a few words about late Professor Jairam Patel. He recently expired.
Yes, sir,
Who is there?
Dr. Rajesh Shukla is here.
Okay, you can continue, Dr. Shukla, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, respected Dr. Dahiya, sir, for giving this opportunity to me.
You can speak a little bit louder near the mic.
Yes, sir. I am Dr. Rajesh Shukla, Central Joint Secretary of APP. Currently, I am working as Associate Professor and HOD of Department Guru Ram Das Khalsa, Science and Technology, Jabalpur, Pharmacy Department. So, I would like to dedicate few words in memory of late Sri Dr. J.R. Patel, sir. It was unbelievable and extremely shocking to know that respected sir, it is no longer with us. He was most respected, ideal cicerone to many students and pharmacy professionals, and he was combative, dutiful man, and ultimate personality. His contribution to pharmacy fraternity will remain inevitable. Late Sri Dr. Jairam Patel, sir, I really bow to your feet. I knew him since 2000. He was my principal of UG Pharmacy at Gormi College of Pharmacy, Bhind. Respected sir is not physically with us, but his persona contribute with always be there ever and ever. On behalf of whole pharmacy fraternity, I dedicate a heartfelt tribute to respected Dr. J.R. Patel, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Shukla, for giving, for saying the words in favor of Professor Jairam Patel. I want to also say, when I started my journey after completion of my MPhom, I joined the Gormi Bhind Pharmacy Institute, and he was the principal there. So then he came to Bhopal, he went to Riva, and likewise he moved there. And so Dr. Shukla is also my student.
Your student, sir. Thank you.
And so first time we are giving this award because he expired recently. So that's why we have introduced. So But on the onset, I would like to congratulate Dr. Jagriti Desai for getting this award for her potential, for her research potential. So APP values your research potential, madam. So our next is Best Teacher Award, that belongs to Local Hosting Institute, and it goes to Professor Biren Ensa, who is a professor of pharmacognosy at Sri NL Patel College of Pharmacy, Umarak, Bardoli. So to endorse this, I would like to invite the principal of the institute to say a few words.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Dr. Biren Shah has more than 15 years of teaching experience, and he is working with this institute since 2004. So, and he has published more than 50 national and international research papers. He received a Best Research Award from the IIT New Delhi, as well as Best Citizen Awards from this. He has guided more than 14 MPharm and 8 PhD students, and his special important thing is that he is author of 14 books, which have been recommended in 40 universities globally, in India as well as globally. He served as editor as well as a reviewer in national and international journals. He is also a board of studies for the pharmacognosy subject at Gujarat Technological University. So I congratulate Dr. Biren Shah for his Best Teacher Award.
Okay.
Thank
Professor Biren is with us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Your views, please.
Thank you, the APP and the whole team of the APP Gujarat State to recognize me as a Best Teacher Award. And it is a duty of teacher to share the knowledge from one end to another end and remain as a teacher. So once again, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Biren, for your views, and APP feel proud to honor for your services, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Our next award is Best Teacher Award from Surrounding Institute, and this award is in memory of one of our late pharmacists, Mr. Manas Tripathi, who was one of my staff when I was working as principal of Globus College of Pharmacy, Bhopal. So he was a pharmaceutics guy, and this particular award goes to Dr. Rupal K. Jani, who is Associate Professor at Department of Pharmaceutics, Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Parul University, Vadodara. To endorse this, I would like to invite our President Gujarat State Branch, who is also the Dean at Parul University, Madam Professor Vandana Patel. Madam, please.
Yes, sir. It's really a great honor for us. If I talk about Dr. Rupal Jani, I know her since past 15 years, and I have witnessed a good teacher in her. During her 15 years of professional career, she has published more than 15 research papers, made more than 18 presentations, and attended 43 different faculty development programs and STTPs. That shows her continuous zeal of learning. She has also contributed 3 books and 1 book chapter in Taylor Francis. And she has guided 30 PG students, and currently she is also guiding 6 PhD students. If we talk about research side, she has worked on various funded projects, and she has filed 1 Indian patent. As a teacher, I know her as a teacher. She possesses a warm and caring nature, good listening skills, and she's ready to help the students at any point of time. She is thorough with her academic knowledge, but she knows how to deliver in the best way so as to engage the students and enhance the grasping. She motivates the student not only towards academic excellence, but also towards research and extracurricular activities. So in short, I can say that she is a true mentor, and she is true worthy for this award of best teacher. I thank APP for giving her this recognition, and of course it will motivate her further to give her best. And I congratulate Dr. Rupal K. Jani for this award and wish her all the best for her future endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Jani is with us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Yes,
I am
Dr.
here.
Dr. Jani,
Thank you,
your
sir.
view.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, madam. The words saying by madam, I have no words because madam, within a short lines, explain everything about my 15 years career. And sir, I am as a teacher growing under the roof of Dr. Vannabi Patel. She teaching us how to teach students, how to motivate them. And as a fruit, today I got this award and I'm very much happy. Thanks to APP. And I am ready for any type of services in future also. Whenever APP required, I am ready for that. And thank you very much
Dr.
for
Rupal, I
selecting
also,
me.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes. Nehal
Rupal,
sir,
Rupal.
thank you.
Dr.
Thank you very
Niransa.
much. Yes, sir, I remember. You are
She is
my...
my student from Vadasa.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Rupal, from the profile, what Professor Vandana said, I'm impressed. You are working on patent, and you have. What is the status of patent?
Sir, in last June, we had filed that patent. Now we have some clinical trials data required. We work on it. And in coming futures, we are going to examine it and publish it.
Okay. May I know your cumulative ISI impact factor? Are you aware of?
Sir, yes, sir. It is 4.
It is
4, sir.
4. How many paper you published?
17 paper.
No, I'm asking a cumulative impact, which will be sum of all. All impact factors. You know.
So I'm not aware of, sir, I am not aware about that. Okay.
Okay. If that
H index is,
H in how much?
4, sir. H index 4.
Okay. Okay. Anyhow, it's good, and we congratulate you for this award. Before going to next, I have some few lines for Mr. Manas Tripathi, whose in memory we are giving. He was my staff at Globus, and he was very enthusiastic. I know the time when I was organizing my first annual convention. I think this can be endorsed by Professor Suhagia. He met me in the first convention in Maharashtra. Professor Suhagia is there?
No, sir, he left.
No. So he met me there. I was not aware about him, and he met me there. And he, at that time, APP was not known by many person, and I thought he's senior person, okay, and I did not ask for membership, and he gave me a check of 2,000. Okay, I want to become member, and likewise. So those things, see, today anybody will become member, I will not feel. But at that time, when APP was unknown and people took interest, so that means they were endorsing our activities, and we were going good, and that potentiates a lot the candidates who are working good. So there, I have seen in that conference, Mr. Manas Tripathi was very aggressive. He was working well for the. So I remember him many times that he was our potential candidate. Okay, so we can move next.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Our next category is Best Researcher Award. So in this category, the Hosting Institute Award goes to Dr. Ashok Akbari, who is Associate Professor at Department of Quality Assurance. So Professor Dhiren, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, Dr. Ashok Akbari is an enthusiastic associate professor at our institute and doing regular and continuous research activity. He has more than 12 years of experience, and during his 12 years of journey, he has published more than 50 national and international research paper, as well as presented 10 papers at national and international conferences. He got the first prize in the poster presentation in international conference at Dhanvantri Pharmacy College last year. He has guided 4 MPharm and 3 PhD students, as well as he has authored 2 books, and one of this book is very popular among the student category. It's a GPAT book, which is published in Pearson's publications. So again, it is going to be recommended by this authority for their syllabus, as well as the promoting students for the GPAT examinations. And he served as editor and a reviewer in national and international journal. So I congratulate Dr. Akbari for this award, and expecting that the same activity will be more enhanced in future. Congratulations, Akbari sir.
Dr. Akbari is with us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First of all, thank you. Yes. First of all, thank you, Dr. Rajiv Dahiya sir, President of AAP Gujarat State Branch, as well as AAP American Branch, for nominating me as a Best Researcher Award. I feel humble and honored to accept this research award. I also thank you, Dr. Dhiren P. Sar, Principal of SNLP Umbrak and Vidya Bharati Trust member, for giving me this opportunity to participating in this international conference. I also thankful to my PhD guide, Dr. B.N. Suwagia, sir, for supporting me at each and every step of my PhD work, as well as help a lot in preparing research paper, which are published in various reputed national as well as international journal. Okay, and in this COVID situation, this international conference provide a platform to share research idea from the renowned speaker, as well as guide to the many research faculty, as well as to students. So thank you once again to all our branch as well as presidency. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Akbari, for your comments. And APP values your services to pharmacy profession, especially research. Thank you. Our next category is Best Research Scholar Award. This award goes to Dr. Sonia Bhatt from the Hosting Institute, who is Assistant Professor at Department of Pharmacology. So, Professor Dhiren.
Yes, sir. Dr. Sonia Bhatt, she has completed her PhD within 3 years. So the total her experience is just 5 years of experience, and she is actively engaged in research activities at the institute level. She is motivating the students for presenting posters or at various conferences, and along with this academic and PhD, she has published more than 10 national as well as international papers from her PhD work, as well as presented 5 papers at national and international level conferences. And along with that, she has guided 5 MPharm students. So I congratulate Dr. Sonia Bhatt for the Best Research Scholar Award from APP.
Dr. Bhatt, your views, please.
She is not available, sir.
Okay, okay. Anyhow, we congratulate Dr. Bhatt for Best Research Scholar Award for her key research achievements. Next category is Best Performer Award. This award goes to Mr. Vipul Gajera, who is Assistant Professor at Department of Pharmacology of the Hosting Institute. Prof. Dhiren.
Yes, sir. Again, sir, Professor Vipul Gajera, he is pursuing his PhD, and it is his first job since last 12 years. He is associated with our institute. So he has a total 12 years of teaching experience during his 12 years of journey. He has published 8 national as well as the international papers and guided 8 MPharm students. He is also a member of this pharmacology society, as well as nodal officer, as well as the coordinator for the various institute level committees. Along with that, he is playing a key role of a coordinator and a speaker in training the registered pharmacist, as well as guiding the 11th and 12th students. He is doing awareness program for the 12th students and giving him guidance regarding the pharmacy profession. So I congratulate Vipul Gajera sir that he is doing all activities and is doing well at our institute as well as for our profession. So once again I congratulate Vipul sir.
Okay. Mr. Gajera is with us?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah, Vipul sir, please.
I think he's not there.
Yes sir, he is there, but I think there is a certain problem.
Okay,
Vipul, sir?
no issue. We can move next. So APP feel proud to honor Mr. Gajera with Best Performer Award, as the principal of the hosting institute mentioned his involvement in each area during the last 10 years. So congratulations, Mr. Vipul Gajera. Next category is Best Achiever Award. This award usually goes to who has balanced his activities or achievements between teaching and research. So this award goes to Dr. Jasmina Surati, who is Assistant Professor at Department of Quality Assurance of the Hosting Institute. So Prof. Dhiren.
Yes sir. Yes, Jasmina madam, Jasmina Surti, she is my BPharm student, and as well as she is a PhD student of Dr. Vandana madam. So under Vandana madam, she has learned a lot of things. She has 10 years of teaching experience, and she has published 10 national and international research paper and presented 2 papers at a national and international conferences. And she has guided 5 MPharm students. She is engaged in motivating the students for this participation in various activities. So I congratulate Dr. Jasmina for this award.
So, Dr. Surati is with us?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes, your views, please.
Okay, thank you everyone for this award. I'm very much pleased and humbled to receive this Best Achiever Award. I'm thankful all the members of Association of Pharmacy Professionals for considering me for this award. But without support of my teachers and my gurus, I would not have received this award. I would like to first thank our principal, Dr. Dhiren Shah, for believing me and assigning me with various activities. I want to thank all my teachers till date for making me what am I today, especially my PhD guide, Professor Dr. Vandana Patel, who believed me and guided me with all sorts of problems. I would like to extend my gratitude to my family members also for being always there for me. Thank you once again.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Jasmina. I'm so proud.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Congratulations, Dr. Surati, for your achievements. And you were the anchor?
Yes, sir. I
right?
was.
Okay.
I
So,
was.
so I have seen you. Okay. So congratulations, Dr.
Thank you,
Jasmina, for this achievement, and APP values your services to pharmacy profession.
Thank you very much, sir.
Next category award is, now we are moving away from faculty to student category, which are our real heroes, and for their future, bright future, we are here to polish them. So first Best Student Award goes to Miss Shivani Patel, who is BPharm student of the Hosting Institute. And I would like to invite Professor Dhiren to say about her academic performance.
Yes, sir. She is Patel Shivani. She is a best BPharm student, and really she is capable for this award. She is a topper from our institute, and she secured a 9 CGPA in BPharm from the Gujarat Technological University, and she is consistent in her performance. Apart from academics, she is also active in all the sports activities, as well as this conference related activities. She is also active member in annual functions and all other activities. So she is really a talented student, and I congratulate Shivani for securing this best student award.
So Miss Shivani is there with us? No? Okay.
No,
we congratulate Miss Shivani Patel for this Best Student Award, and she really deserves for this award for her outstanding academic performance. APP values your extraordinary talent, Miss Shivani. Next award is Best Student Award for the surrounding institute in the local state. That goes to Miss Jill Shah, who is the BPharm student of Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research at Parul University, and this award is conferred to Miss Jill for her outstanding academic performance. Professor Vandana Patel, please.
Yes, sir. Zeel Shah is a final year BPharm student. She's a very sincere, hardworking and talented girl. Right from the beginning, right from her first year. In her first year only, she got gold medal for excellence in academics from our university. And again, due to her consistent performance in the second year also, she received the certificate of excellence. Even she has other exposure. She has also gone to Russia for some exchange program and had attended 1 month of training in analytical instrumental techniques. So in short, she's an all-rounder personality, and I congratulate her and I thank APP for considering her for this recognition. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Miss Jill. You are with us? No? Okay, so APP values your extraordinary talent, Miss Jill Shah.
I think so. She's not able to speak. She has put her thanks in the chat box.
Okay, good. Yeah. Next Best Student Award. It is in postgraduate category. So it goes to Miss Helly. I'm pronouncing the name correct? Miss Helly.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Miss Helly Thakur. She is pursuing MPharm in pharmaceutics at the Hosting Institute, and I would like to invite Professor Dhiren to say a few words.
Yes, sir. Sir Helly, she is our BPharm as well as MPharm students. And again, she is a multi-talented student. She is taking participation in all activities which have been organized by the college. In BPharm, she secured a 9 CGPA, as well as she took admission in our institute in pharmaceutics also. And again, she secured the 9 CPI in MPharm. And during his MPharm, she has presented a poster, that is 2 conferences, as well as published research paper, and she has worked on a transdermal tract delivery system during her MPharm, and the work that was excellent was done by her. So I congratulate Helly for this award.
So she completed the MPharm?
Yes, sir. She has completed last year, June.
Okay. So APP congratulate and values your extraordinary talent, Miss Helly. You are with us? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, she is there.
Good. So you are with
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Dhiren sir.
Miss Kelly, before going in detail, what you are doing nowadays? Where you are posted?
Sir, I am at Salva Vida Pharmaceutical, Surat, sir. Right
Okay,
now.
you are working in industry?
No, sir. I am also marketing executive.
Okay, you are a marketing executive. Good. Okay, you can carry on.
Yes, sir. I'm so glad, sir, and thank you that I got the opportunity to pursue my studies. Then I like to thank Institute that on occasion of 12th Indo-US conference and for awarding me the best student. And secondly, sir, I'm so grateful to work under the Dr. Viren sir and my guide Dr. Rumit sir and all supportive staff, sir. Thank you so much.
Who was your guide?
Dr. Rumit sir.
Okay. And about your industry, you want to tell which products it deals or which product you sales?
Sir, basically it is exporting hub. So we export outside India.
Okay, good. Okay, congratulations, Miss Haley, and APP feel honor to value your extraordinary talent. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So next best student award in postgraduate category goes to a candidate who is pursuing M.Pharm in quality assurance area, and that is no other than Miss Ruchita Patel, who is M.Pharm student of Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research at Parul University. Professor Vandana, you want to say a few words?
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to congratulate Ruchita Patel. She is our M.Pharm QA student. She's in the final year, and she's the ranker of our institute. She has a mixture, like it's a multi-talented personality. She is very good in academics. At the same time, she is too good in all extracurricular activities also. May it be Rangoli or Pharma recipe. She has got many awards to her credit. And she's also active member of Women Chapter. She is doing very good job in that area also. So I thank APP and congratulate Ruchita and wish her all the best.
So congratulations, Ms. Ruchita. You are with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A few words, please.
I would like to thank to my family, Parul University, and my honorable teachers for their support and appreciation. Thank you so much. Special thanks to APP for this honor. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, congratulations, Ms. Ruchita.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for your efforts to be active in the profession, and APP really values your extraordinary talent. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So next best student belongs to Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research only, but it is she is a PharmD student. It is the best student award in PharmD category, and it goes to Miss Hirni Patel for her outstanding academic performance in Doctor of Pharmacy program. Professor Vandana Patel, madam, please.
Hirni Patel, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So congratulations, many congratulations. She is our PharmD student of final year, and right from her first year till her 5th year, she is consistent in her academic career. She has excellent academic graph, and she has secured first rank in all over Parul University. She also has a good research bent of mind. She has review papers to her credit, and she has also presented a poster in various conferences. She is a very active student, and she also possesses a very good leadership quality. So I thank APP for considering her for this recognition, and she is true worthy for this award. Thank you very much, and congratulations, Hirni.
Yes, Miss Hirni, few words, please.
Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity and believing in me. And thank you, APP, for considering me as the best student award. Thank you.
So congratulations, Miss Hirni Patel, and APP values your extraordinary talent and your outstanding academic performance in
Thank you,
Doctor of Pharmacy program.
Thank you, sir.
So next, we are near to conclude. So best e-poster awards in different categories. So we have one international award. There was one international presentation. So I will have to look at my mobile because this I can't put two screens there. So this international award goes to Miss Kimberly Brown Ali Bocas, who is a pharmacy technician student at Synergy Training Institute at Trinidad and Tobago. So she presented this work today, and the title for the work was Potential Roles of Nanocarriers in Herbal Medication to Combat or Minimize Risk of Developing Pancreatic Cancer. So we congratulate Ms. Bocas for receive of Best Poster Award in International category during this APP 12th Indo-US Conference. We have Ms. Bocas with us? No? Okay. So next category is national category. So kindly bear with me. I have to open a document, then only I will be able to read. Okay, I have the document with me. So we have divided our poster session into 3 different categories, which are now actually 4. And first category, in each category we have different number of presentees. First category is pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology category, and here we the scientific judges have selected 3 best poster which comes under rank 1, 2, 3. So first poster award goes in pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology area goes to Dhruvin Masuria, who is a MPharm student at the local hosting institute, and he presented a poster on rizatriptan benzoate orodispersible, I think, tablets using natural super disintegrants. So tablet formulation, development and evaluation. So congratulations, Mr. Dhruvin, sorry. And second award in pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology area goes to Shivpal Singh Garima Shivpal, who is MPharm student at Srimati B&B Swaminarayan Pharmacy College, and who presented the work on review on novel approach of controlled release delivery of brivaracetam for epilepsy. So congratulations, Ms. Garima. Okay. Third award in pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology area goes to Ms. Mansi Patel, who is MPharm student at Sigma Institute of Pharmacy, and she presented a work on niosomes and approach current drug delivery. So these 3 awards, and so I congratulate Ms. Mansi. So first award, Mr. Dhruvin, second award, Ms. Garima, and third award, Ms. Mansi. in pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical technology area. We congratulate all the 3 candidates and for their research potential. Next category, it is pharmaceutical analysis section. In pharmaceutical analysis section, yet we have selected 3 candidates for the award. First award goes to Miss Bhumika Parmar, who is M.Pharm student at Sigma Institute of Pharmacy, Vadodara, and who presented the work on forced degradation studies. Second award goes to Miss Varsha Misra, who is M.Pharm student of Srimati B.N.B. Swaminarayan Pharmacy College, Salvo, who presented the work on nanotechnology in diagnosis and treatment of hypertension. Third award in pharmaceutical analysis category goes to Jeet Pritesh Shah, who is M.Pharm student at local institute, hosting institute, and who presented the work on estimation of angiotensin second receptor antagonist or blockers in biological fluid by chromatographic method. So I on behalf of APP congratulate Ms. Bhumika, Ms. Varsha and Mr. Jeet Shah for getting this best poster awards under rank 1, 2, 3 in the pharmaceutical analysis area. Our next area is natural product chemistry and pharmacology area. In this, we have selected 2 candidates for the first and second rank awards. The first rank award goes to Ms. Dhruvi Prajapati, who is assistant professor at Babaria Institute of Pharmacy, Vadodara, and who presented the work on natural products, a trove for new drugs. Second award in natural product chemistry and pharmacology area goes to Mr. Mohit Kotnala, who is PhD scholar at MVN University, Palwal, Haryana, and he presented the work on anti-inflammatory and hepatoprotective activity of extracts of Anophelis tripannervis Linn. So I congratulate Ms. Dhruvi and Mr. Mohit for getting this rank 1 and 2 awards in natural product chemistry and pharmacology section. Our last category is pharmacy practice section, in which we have selected 1 poster, and the award goes to Mr. Himanshu Joshi, who is M.Pharm student of local institute, local hosting institute, and he presented the work on COVID-19 related fear and generalized anxiety. So I congratulate all the candidates who selected for the e-poster award in international and national category. So with this, we can move ahead. All are with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So there is big silence actually. So, okay. So we are moving next.
Yes, sir.
It is near. So every hosting institute gets a appreciation award, and that usually goes to the owner of the hosting institute. So here I would like to extend this appreciation award from APP to Sri Manhar Bhai L. Patel, who is the honorary managing trustee of Vidya Bharati Trust at Bardoli, and we recognize the extraordinary talent of Sri Patel, and we recognize his valuable contribution in expanding the pharmaceutical education in Bardoli region and allowing association to host it or conduct its 12th Indo-US virtual conference at the beautiful campus of Sri N.L. Patel College of Pharmacy, Kumar, Surat. So if Sri Patel is available, we want few words, or otherwise the principal of the hosting institute can endorse the same.
Yes, sir. Sir is not available because of his health, because he is age of the 73 and suffering from a certain health-related issues, so he could not join. But he has given his best wishes for this conferences, as well as congratulate the APP for organizing such type of activities and giving an opportunity to our institute to host this particular international Indo-US conference in a virtual mode. Sir, basically this Manarbhai Patel, he is a farmer, but he is engaged with educational institute since last 40 years. He is engaged as a trustee members, as a secretary, or as a board of member like this in various educational institute, and he is serving his experience, his knowledge to this all educational institute as well as to our institute. So we are really proud that Sri Manarbhai Patel is our managing trustee, and he is giving a guidance for the development of these faculty members as well as for the college. So on behalf of sir, I received this appreciation awards, and definitely we will convey the message from APP to our management. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, so congratulations, Sri Manarbhai L. Patel, for receiving this award, which is Appreciation Award for honor of the hosting conference hosting institute. So, and we really appreciate your and recognize your contribution in expanding the pharmaceutical education in the area. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, besides this, we have been releasing the certificate of appreciation for the hard work during this conference. So, first certificate of appreciation is extended to Professor B.N. Suhagia for acting as chief guest of this APP 12th Indo-US Conference, who is the Dean of Faculty of Pharmacy at DD University, Nadiad. Second certificate of appreciation is extended to no other than Professor Dhiran Shah, whose efforts we can't evaluate for this particular conference, who was organizing secretary of this APP 12th Indo-US Conference and is the principal of Sri N.L. Patel College of Pharmacy, Umar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Also, certificate of appreciations are extended to all the resource persons and chairpersons of the sessions. So we have already supplied that information. I have copied Professor Vandana Patel and Professor Dhiren. All the certificates, certificates to resource persons and chairpersons have been already issued.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We also extend certificate of appreciation to APP Gujarat State Branch Office bearers, and we will release them. Also, certificate of appreciations will be released for APP American International Branch Office bearer who were involved in this particular conference. So overall, I'm thankful to Sri N.L. Patel College of Pharmacy, Umarak, for giving APP a opportunity to host the APP 12th Indo-US Conference at their campus, and thanks for belief in APP.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Our next thing is upcoming conference. So usually we decide our upcoming conference before so that those who actually deserved but remained during this conference in award category, so their CVs are invited. Those who participated in this conference and could not present it, they are invited, and everybody who think that my talent is worth to get an award, so they are invited. So our upcoming conference is APP 13th Indo-US Conference, which is to be organized at Feb 10. It is a small gap, so we have 1 week to 10 days in hands, and it will be on trends and challenges in pharmaceutical sciences, and it is hosted by RJ World College of Pharmacy Education and Technology in Surajgarh, Rajasthan. So, and it will be in collaboration with Sunrise University Alwar and Dharam Singh Desai University, Gujarat. The key speakers involved in this conference are Dr. Radhika V. Kumar, who is executive member of APP American International Branch and working as assistant professor at Department of PharmChem, School of Pharmacy, American University of Health Sciences at California, USA. Our second international speaker for this particular conference is a candidate from Durban, South Africa, Dr. Kamini Govender, who belongs to Catalysis and Peptide Research Unit and who is working at School of Health Sciences at University of KwaZulu-Natal. Other two speakers are already present in this particular conference. So all are aware about Professor Vandana Patel, madam, who is president of APP Gujarat State Branch and professor and dean at Doctoral Studies and Research, Parul University, and she also is invited to receive her fellowship award during that convention. And we have another potential candidate who got APP Outstanding Oration Award today, Dr. Madhu Gupta from DPSRU New Delhi, who is working as Associate Professor at Department of Pharmaceutics. So she will be another speaker. So it will be total ladies hold, all 4 ladies. So these will be the key speaker of the event. So this is the institute and you are invited to attend, to present your scientific work, to send your CV in regional award category. So we will evaluate and we will inform you. So hope to see you in the on Feb 10 during APP 13th Indo-US Conference. With this, I conclude. I thank you for your precious time, what you have given for this particular event. I will hand over to the anchor, please.
Pooja madam, please continue.
Thank you very much, sir. For closing remark of the 12th Indo-US Conference, it's my immense pleasure to invite Professor Ankit B. Chaudhary, Vice President, APP Gujarat State Branch, Saraswati Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Dhanap, Gandhinagar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam, for inviting me. So at the end of the conference, I am here for concluding remarks. So first of all, on behalf of APP Gujarat State Branch, I want to thank heartily to Dr. Rajiv Dahiya sir for putting the trust on APP Gujarat State Branch and NL Patel College of Pharmacy to organize such a wonderful conference. I also want to thank APP American International Branch for their continuous support. So if we talk about total registered participants, then there were total 315 participants, those who registered in this international conference, and total 155, around 155 total e-posters were presented in this conference. So for this overall organization, I want to congratulate Dr. Dhiren Shah sir and his team for tremendous efforts for successful organization of 12th Indo-US Conference today. Team of NL Patel College of Pharmacy has accepted the challenge of organizing the conference in very, very short time and executed in very well manner. So I want to congratulate all the award winner in the different category. So thank you very much for accepting the challenge to organize the event, the international conference in very short time and executed very well. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Ankit sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we stand on the curve of widening and thankful note of gratitude towards the conclusion of this conference. I would like to introduce Professor Biren Shah. Dr. Biren Shah, presently working as professor at Shri Naranji Bhai Lalbhai Patel College of Pharmacy, Vidya Bharati Trust, Umrah. Professor Biren Shah has more than 15 years of teaching experience. Under his guidance, 13 M.Pharm and 8 PhD students were awarded. He has published more than 50 research articles in national and international journals. He published 14 books. He has awarded Best Researcher by IIT Delhi. He is a member of Board of Studies, Pharmacognosy GTU. His textbook, Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, is in the list of recommended books in more than 40 university syllabus nationally and internationally. I warmly and respectfully welcome Dr. Biren Shah for vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am. And good afternoon to all. It is my great pleasure to present vote of thanks for this one-day conference of 12th Indo-US Virtual Conference. We are very grateful to the Managing Trustee, Sri Manhar Bhai Patel, Secretary Sri Kirit Bhai, Co-Secretary Sri Ashwin Bhai, Trustees Hasu Bhai Patel, Bharat Bhai Patel, and Mahendra Bhai Patel for their tremendous support they have provided to us. As a host and to the conference organizing committee, we would also like to express our heartfelt thanks to the Association of Pharmacy Professionals, USA, and other state branch. I thank Dr. Rajiv Dahiya sir, organizing chairman and founder president of APP, our respected guru, Dr. B.N. Suhagia sir, chief advisor of APP, Dr. Sunita Dahiya, general secretary APP, Dr. Vanna madam, president APP Gujarat state branch, Dr. Ankit Chaudhary sir, vice president APP Gujarat state, Dr. Mehul Patel, vice president APP Gujarat state branch, and Dr. Nehal Shah, secretary of APP Gujarat state branch, whose members have put together and engaging this program. This is the first international conference in the history of our college, which is completely conducted on a digital platform in this COVID-19 situation, with maintaining social distance and other protocols. I thanks to all eminent speakers like Professor Alekha Das, USA, Dr. Susma, New Delhi, Dr. Atindra Sukla, DDU Nadiyad, and Dr. Palaniswamy from Tamil Nadu. And guests from all over the countries from different walk of life, you join here to share their knowledge and vast experience with students, teachers, and scientists. I also thanks to all the evaluators and participants for their supports in this one-day digital conference. These participants are more than 315, and I again thanks to them, because it is not possible to conduct such kind of conference without their supports, and in a short time they have given us a very good response. I also congratulate all the award winners and winners of e-poster presentations. Again, I congratulate different colleges like Sigma Institute, Rafael Institute, DDIT Nadiyad, Dhanvantari Pharmacy College, Keene, then BNB Swaminarayan Pharmacy College, Salwao, and many more colleges who have given us the support to conduct this kind of conference. My thanks and appreciation also go to my principal, Dr. Dhiren P. Shah sir, and faculty members, non-teaching staff members who have worked without any tiredness and show their outstanding enthusiasm. The year ahead looks promising, and we hope to sustain the momentum that we are carrying since 2004. I would like to conclude my speech by encouraging the delegates to participate an increased number in all the conference through the digital platform. Even in the last, today is considered as the Martyrs' Day and the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. I remember them. And lastly, I just say one thing, that लोग कहते हैं अगर जिंदा रहे तो फिर मिलेंगे, मैं कहता हूं आप मिलते रहिए तो ही हम जिंदा रहेंगे. Thank you one and all.
Good. So before closing, I want to share a few. Now we are converting our conferences on world famous days, because we need to celebrate those days also, like say example World Malaria Day, World Health Day, World Environment Day, so that every speaker will add few words and we will raise awareness about those things. So those who are interested in hosting events, so kindly select those dates only, even though those may not be comfortable, maybe those may be weekdays, I know, but yet if we are contributing toward those days, so it will be very good idea. What is your opinion, Vandana?
Yes, sir. Very true, sir. So, sir, in Gujarat also, I am planning in March on Women's Day. So we are thinking to organize one conference on that day. So let's see. I'm in discussion with the colleges.
Okay, good.
And my
So
hope-
like that, everybody can give their. So because generally our conferences are scientific point of view, so little bit addition will be there towards that particular day. So
Definitely.
we will be able to speak. Like I have started from the next event. The next event which we are going to host on 10th Feb, it is World Pulse Day. So there we can mention medicinal importance of pulses. So like proteins they have, or this type of thing. So that gives us opportunity. Although if you will see the calendar, every day is some important day in the world. So, but we will be more concerned about the health and its system. So let's see how much we can deal it with. So thank you.
Definitely, sir.
Pooja, continue. Pooja.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, everyone. We appreciate you being here. Thanks again for joining us today, and be safe in this pandemic condition. Thank you very much, everyone. You may leave. You may now leave. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vanda madam.
Thank
Thank
you. Welcome, sir. And it
Thank you,
was
Vanda
a
madam.
pleasure.
Sir, Raju sir.
Avjo, Dhiren, Vandana madam.
Congratulations and very well coordinated event, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you.
Sunita ma'am,
Avjo.
yeah, we could not talk to you. Yes, ma'am.
So you know
I was with much difficulty I was able to join in last.
Yes.
I think faculty award all I missed because I tried a lot, but I was unable. It was the access.
This session limit was 250, and at that time 250 was blocked. And then after that they left. I think so. It happened like that.
But somehow I keep on trying, and last I was successful, and that's why I was able to join.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for being with us, ma'am.
So for ourselves, it was night. I sat on computer at 11 p.m. and now it is our 7:15 a.m. So this was our night program. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, everybody.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.